Like a Hellcat.
Well, what's going on, you guys? Today we got our new set of wheels. The Chevy is finally gone. This is a 2003. Yeah, it's the same year as the Chevy, but that's okay. But this truck's in much better condition, eh? This is a 2003 Ford F-150 XLT 5.4 liter V8 Triton Edition 7700 series. Two-wheel drive, extended cab. We got it for a pretty fair, decent price. We're just going to leave it at that because the rest of it's private. We're not going to get into any of that. But we're going to start it up and let it run for a few minutes and do a couple of things to it. So without further ado, let's get that done. Oh.
I'm looking for the things you put in front of the grills that are like chrome.
Yeah.
You'll see what I mean.
Yeah. Also, guys, I do forgot to mention that this thing has a remote starter, which I'm probably not even going to use, but yeah, the thing's got, I don't know, it says it has a trunk there. I don't even think that works.
No, but I think it starts like this.
No, don't start it.
I just want to see.
I think that one's the dead one. No, that one's dead. That one's dead. The other one's in the house. That one's the dead one.
Is it?
Yeah, because the other one's in the house, I think. There's a certain way you got to do it. But anyways, guys, I'm going to start it up. Let it run.
Did you keep the keys out of it? The keys?
Keys are right here. Oh, the other keys, yes. It's in the house. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start it up. Look at the nice camo floor mats. This thing has how much does this truck have? 202,000 miles and something. I'm not sure how to say that, but right about there. That's how much she has. Very mint condition. Yeah, the door has a weird noise. We're gonna figure that out. Interior is in phenomenal shape. Aftermarket Sony radio. And look at this. It's got even a little remote with that. That's pretty cool. Nice little center console. I'll start her up and let it run. Not bad. Flow of Edme gives out phenomenal heat. Amazing heat in this thing. Instant heat. What? Instant heat right off the bat. It has a slow leak in one of the manifolds, but it seemed to pass safety no problem, so that's all right. Get you a quick interior view. It also is equipped with the trailer brake system. We're not gonna get into any of that because we obviously don't have a trailer that has brakes. Yeah, shut up. Not bad. Not bad at all for a little 2003. Yeah, it's a little low on gas. We're gonna put maybe some gas in later. But yeah, not bad for two-wheel drive. It's got a two power outlet adapters, two cup holders, like I said, Sony aftermarket radio, and yes, it's equipped with Bluetooth. Amazing steering wheel cover, amazing grip. Got your headlights, and you even got pedal adjustment. Look at that. And then you got, are you opening the hood or what?
I need give me my license plate.
What?
Give me my license plate, please.
Where is it?
Wait, on the front dash.
Oh. This is off the Chev.
Hey, how come you have it running?
I'm gonna shut her off. I'm gonna shut her down really. There. Shut her down. Yeah, very. I like. That's weird. Yeah, so the amazing car mats. I'm very impressed with this truck. But yeah, not bad at all. There's the bed liner. I'd for my 92 Quadrunner 300 and Liam's 04 Kodiak, I'd say it probably would fit with the tailgate closed, but you never know. You never know. There's always that big if. The bed liner's nice and pretty big, so I can't see it being a problem at all. With my dad's Can-Am, I probably won't be able to close. Not bad at all. Might want to close the door because I don't want the interior getting wetter than it already is. Yeah, it's white. I'm not a big fan of white, but it is what it is. It'll work. We had a bit of an issue with the windshield wiper before, but that seems to be temporarily fixed. Yeah, I think the switch was acting up. Not too sure. But, is it on? Oh, I thought you had it on. But yeah, not bad. I'll give you a walk around view. Passenger side. Also, forgot to show you. Glove compartment, nice and very nice and deep glove compartment. Side glove area. This thing has 4 brand new tires. You said brake. I think brakes, eh?
He did, but he said he changed the pads in the back.
Yeah, so apparently this thing has 4 brand new tires and brake pads all the way around. So, not much else to do to it. I gotta get, he's gotta get my uncle to program his phone into the Bluetooth system on the aftermarket radio, which will probably be another day because we're in for a severe snowstorm, and this is just only the start of it. We're supposed to get 30 plus centimeters of snow. So yeah, we're in for a rude awakening for snow. And yeah, we do got our snowblower back. Now I didn't really do much videos on her, because we had a issue with it where it broke on me twice off camera when I was trying to snowblow. The pulley got loose and threw the belt off twice. So yeah, I was gonna do a video on it, but unfortunately with what's been going on with that thing, there's really no point in making a video. But yeah, we got her back. We're not going to pull her off, I think. We're just going to leave it on the truck.
No, taking it off.
Oh, okay. I guess we're taking it off. So, go ahead and do that. But yeah, I don't think there's much else to say about this truck. But here is the back part of it. Other than that, I think it's all good to go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a comment, like, subscribe, share the video. Do what you gotta do. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. But yeah, that's the 2003... I was about to say Chevy. No, this is a 2003 Ford F-150 7700 series 2-wheel drive extended cab. 5.4 liter V8 Triton edition. So yeah, not bad.